In the bustling retail environment of Plano, Texas, first impressions can make or break a business. One of the most powerful tools to attract customers, highlight your brand, and create a welcoming atmosphere is commercial lighting. Custom commercial lighting installations are becoming increasingly popular among Plano storefront owners who want to stand out in a competitive market. Unlike standard lighting, custom solutions are tailored specifically to your business's needs, design, and goals. Here's why investing in custom commercial lighting installations is a smart move for Plano storefronts. Enhance your brand identity. Your storefront is an extension of your brand, and the right lighting can amplify your business's personality and message. Custom lighting allows you to select fixtures, colors, and lighting effects that align with your brand's style, whether it's modern and sleek, warm and inviting, or bold and dramatic. For example, if your store emphasizes luxury and sophistication, you might opt for elegant pendant lights or recessed LED lighting that casts a soft glow. A tech-focused retailer might choose cool-toned, bright LEDs to create a futuristic feel. Custom commercial lighting designers work closely with you to create a lighting plan that enhances your branding and creates a cohesive look both inside and out. Attract more customers. Effective storefront lighting is essential for drawing attention to your business, especially in Plano's busy shopping districts and commercial areas. Custom lighting installations can highlight your signage, window displays, and architectural features, making your storefront visible and appealing even after sunset. By strategically placing accent lights, spotlights, or LED strips, your store can stand out from the competition and attract more foot traffic. Well-lit storefronts appear safer and more inviting, encouraging potential customers to stop in and explore. Custom lighting solutions can also adapt to seasonal promotions, special events, or holiday decor, keeping your storefront fresh and exciting year-round. Improve storefront functionality and safety. Beyond aesthetics, custom commercial lighting installations improve the functionality and safety of your storefront. Proper illumination ensures that entrances, walkways, and parking areas are well lit, reducing the risk of accidents or theft. This is especially important in Plano, where evening shopping and events are common. Custom lighting designers can assess your storefront layout and recommend lighting solutions that enhance visibility without creating glare or discomfort. This includes layering lighting levels, such as combining ambient, task, and accent lighting, to ensure every part of your exterior and interior is appropriately lit. Additionally, energy-efficient LED lighting options can provide bright, long-lasting illumination that reduces energy costs and maintenance needs, saving you money over time. Create a memorable shopping experience. Lighting has a significant psychological impact on how customers perceive and interact with your store. Custom lighting installations can influence mood, highlight products, and guide customers through your space. Thoughtful lighting design helps create a pleasant and memorable shopping experience that encourages longer visits and repeat business. For instance, lighting can be used to create focal points on featured products or sales areas, making them stand out. Warm lighting can create a cozy atmosphere in boutique shops or cafes, while bright, cool lighting can energize customers in electronics or fitness stores. By investing in custom commercial lighting, Plano storefront owners can create a welcoming environment that matches their brand identity and appeals directly to their target audience. Flexible and scalable solution. Every business is unique, and custom lighting installations offer the flexibility to adapt as your business grows or changes. Whether you're opening a new store, remodeling an existing one, or expanding your hours into the evening, custom lighting systems can be designed to scale and evolve with your needs. Advanced lighting control systems allow you to adjust brightness, color temperature, and lighting scenes with ease. This flexibility means you can tailor your lighting to different times of day, special events, or seasons without the need for expensive hardware changes. Increase energy efficiency and sustainability. With growing emphasis on sustainability, many Plano business owners seek ways to reduce their environmental impact. Custom commercial lighting installations often incorporate energy-efficient LED technology and smart controls that reduce power consumption while maintaining optimal lighting quality. LED lights use significantly less energy than traditional incandescent or fluorescent bulbs and have a longer lifespan, which translates to fewer replacements and less waste. Smart lighting controls can automatically adjust lighting based on occupancy or natural light levels, further enhancing energy savings. Choosing a custom lighting solution that prioritizes sustainability not only reduces operating costs but also aligns your business with eco-friendly practices, which can appeal to increasingly conscious consumers. Professional expertise and quality assurance. Custom commercial lighting installations require expertise in both design and electrical work. Working with experienced lighting professionals in Plano ensures that your lighting system is safe, compliant with local codes, and optimized for performance. Lighting designers assess your building's architecture, business needs, and budget to create a comprehensive plan that maximizes benefits. Professional installation guarantees that wiring, fixtures, and controls are installed correctly, minimizing risks and downtime. Furthermore, many commercial lighting companies offer warranties and maintenance services, providing peace of mind and ongoing support for your investment. Conclusion. Custom commercial lighting installations offer Plano storefront owners a unique opportunity to elevate their business by enhancing brand identity, attracting customers, improving safety, and creating memorable shopping experiences. With flexible, energy-efficient solutions tailored to your specific needs, you can transform your storefront into a vibrant, welcoming space that stands out in a competitive market. Investing in professional custom lighting is not just about illumination, it's about creating an environment that reflects your brand and meets your business goals. If you want to make your Plano storefront shine, day and night, custom commercial lighting installation is the smart choice.